Whoa!
Oh my Jesus! Holy shit!
I was actually gonna suggest earlier that you go outside. Because rain makes me happy.
Holy father, God is kidding!
Dude.
Holy shit!
Oh God. If you have a basement, you should probably... Yay! You made it! Get in. Get the umbrella! Oh God! Hurry, hurry! And I'm going to be part of this too! Yay! You feel better now?
Wait. Fuck it.
Oh God.
Just
Just leave it out there. There you go. Do you feel better now?
Gamzee's amused.
Whee! You want to go out, but the rain is too hard. Where?
Holy shit! It's almost full. Oh my God, cooking.
Already? Wow.
Crap, I accidentally threw it.
You accidentally threw it? Alright, as wide as you probably can. And then run out and then run back in. Alright, ready? Go! Oh God! Go, hurry, hurry!
I beat you,
Anya, successful! Yay!
I'm gonna go dance in the rain. I'm like,
it's like, yeah!
yeah! Oh, yeah!
Yay! That's a nice bath.
Shit, so I'm doing it again. Wait. Idea, brilliant idea.
Brilliant idea.
Dude, you're putting that on YouTube.
I am! I will! Yeah! I want to be in your area.
Where is Aaron?
I don't know.
If you're meeting me on you.
He's probably inside because he doesn't want to get wet.
He's a fish, though.
Yeah.
Putting on my shoes. Yeah. Putting on my shoes this time because I'm so wearing a bandage. But actually, the cold water fish is really too much.
I want rain.
Okay. Again, this is gonna be all come at it, bro. Are you still recording this shit?
I'm not done recording. Because you're going to go outside more than once. So I don't think the storm in your area is gonna come up my way. It looks like it's gonna go more northeast.
Fuck you. Super Gamzee in the rain. Dude, Super Gamzee in the rain. Well, Anya in the rain, but who gives a fuck? I win it one more time.
Turenzi. Dracula.
Fuck you.
Yay!
Oh, fuck this over.
Flash. Woo! So what were you getting?
The gate was open, and if I don't close the gate, wild animals will get in.
Ow.
Ow! Oh, fuck.
Do you feel better
I
though?
know yeah, I feel a lot better. I think the soberness
Okay.
are cleared from it.
Yay!
I felt really good. That felt really good. I may be like fucking so drenched.
Well,
No, I'm good.
Well, I guess we've decided something.
Soberness. The rain helps.
Yeah, when you go sober and it's raining, just go out in the rain.
Well, it feels really good.
Yeah. So there.
I'm sober. Dude, my hair turned black. Oh, that's ironic. A towel. Hey, I'm not going to